The market wisdom, the first 3 trading sessions at Dalal Street indicates how exactly Nifty will behave for the rest of 2026. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and then hopefully, the bull marches into the unknown, fearless, unstoppable into uncharted territory. Our call of the day, much like Akshay Khanna's journey in Bollywood, a meticulous rise, phir thoda struggle, thoda sambhalna, and ultimately Dhurandhar. Looks like Nifty's script for 2026 seems to be unfolding the very same way. Meanwhile, near-term headlines in focus. 1. Escalating geopolitical risks after the US military action in Venezuela. 2. Potential escalation in US-India trade tensions after President Trump warned of swift tariff hikes if India continues its Russian oil purchases. The likely biggest positive catalyst, the Fed will be forced into deep rate cuts in 2026, boosting emerging markets like India, gold and most importantly, breaking the back of the US dollar. Also, hopes of another quarter-point rate cut from the RBI keeps bullish hopes firmly alive. Long story short, a powerful blockbuster run on cards benchmark Nifty. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 36 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1764 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a breakout play. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,900 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.02 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.40 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.06 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.09. Nifty outlook, markets flash green on strong global cues, yet another green light for Nifty bulls. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 6250. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,209 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,501 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,200 and 26450. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85440. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 85,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,200 and 86,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 60044. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,707 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,700 and 60700. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The breaking news, overnight, Dow scaled a new record high at 49,000 for the first time ever. Back home, Gift Nifty is flashing green in early action. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Nifty Defense Index, plus 2.04%, commanded attention in yesterday's trade following US action in Venezuela. The United States launched Operation Absolute Resolve, carrying out airstrikes across Venezuela and capturing the country's president and first lady after months of escalating military and economic pressure. HUL, plus 2.4%, BDL, plus 2.7%. BAIL, plus 2.53%, were star outperformers. 2. Nifty IT Index dropped 1.43% amidst two big headwinds. A. Potential escalation in US-India trade tensions. B. CLSA advised to trim positions on IT stocks, downgrades. Infi, minus 2.21%. HCL Tech, minus 2.15%, Tech Mahindra, minus 0.83%.